It's okay. I know you don't like this. It's okay. It's okay.
Let's make you pretty.
Look, do you want to hold a brush? Do you want a brush? Look at that.
What is that? I should have brought her up.
I like it. Do you want a bracelet? Oh, you love bracelets? You're such a little girl.
How about my poor basement's getting to be in your video forever?
That's okay. I bet you she's giving you a cute haircut.
I bet you thought you were going to go to the salon.
This is the best salon.
It is.
Not a
It's Miss Adina's salon. It is the best.
basketball.
Nice bracelet. That's beautiful.
Charlotte, you're being such a good girl.
She couldn't be any better right now.
You are a good girl. All it takes is a bracelet, huh? That's nice. And a cookie.
She's a good
Oh my
It is
gosh.
so cute already. Charlotte, I'm sorry I waited so long.
It's a big decision.
I didn't want to cut it, yeah.